Up next in the lumber production line is the Ravor high-tech bandsaw WRC 1150AC. This workhorse is a great option for smaller sawmills, but don't let its size fool you. The WRC 1150AC is a horizontal bandsaw designed for efficient log processing. Logs up to 45 inches thick are fed onto a carriage system and maneuvered precisely with a guiding hand. A large, high-tension blade continuously cuts through the log, controlled by the operator from a comfortable cab. This sawmill is known for its durable build and features like automatic lubrication and cleaning systems to keep things running smoothly.